Hey there, it's Ashley with WTI.
I recently got back from a vacation where they were making me fresh juices daily, and I became so spoiled. So I was really happy to find the Black+Decker juicer. It's super easy and convenient to use. You simply push down with what you want to juice, and it automatically rotates. It does rotate in opposite directions every single time you come on and off that cone. The pulp strainer on the top adjusts by rotating, and you can have as little or as much pulp as you want in your juice. I love to use oranges and lemons, and I drink this every day. It's easy enough to use. My son can do it on his own, and you can take all of these apart and put it in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. It's very lightweight, and so I would highly recommend this if you're wanting fresh juices also.
And that's my point of view.